picture-perfect day for baseball as thousands of fans from across the Hudson Valley and beyond came out to see Army host the Yankees in their final spring training game.
You know, you always wonder what they're like, rich and famous and all-powerful in the baseball world, and it's really cool to just be able to have a cool conversation with them. They'll ask you about your life, you ask them about theirs. It's pretty neat.
Right up the street from Yankee Stadium is West Point, and these cadets are just so impressive, and they're kids too. That's the funny thing is these are kids, but we have such a respect for them and what they do for us, what they do for our country.
Bleachers were brought in to increase Doubleday Field's capacity from the usual 800 to more than 5,000 seats. Yankee stars such as Mark Teixeira and Mariano Rivera spent time chatting with cadets and tirelessly signing autographs. Tell me who signed your ball?
Oh my God. Andy Pettitte, and it's awesome because he's been in the major leagues for almost 20 years, and he's one of the greatest lefties of all time.
The Yankees have a long history of coming here in support of Army and coming up to West Point and really just paying our respects to what they represent, and it's a lot of fun.
It's been nearly 40 years since their last meeting here in 1976, but after speaking to many of the Yankees, they say they'd like to see this become a regular tradition again here at West Point.
I think we should do this every year. I really do. I mean, I would love to be a part of this every single year as a Yankee, because seeing what this means to the community and what this means to all the cadets, it's special.
Reporting from West Point, I'm Julian Sakovitz, News 12.
Second, the right fielder, number 31, Ichiro Suzuki.